如果感觉生活不顺，那就进车间跟我混；如果感觉工作不爽，那就进车间跟我闯。
Our motor coils are wound by automatic wire inserts. All enamelled wires are enamelled at 180 degrees. The stator is made of 600 cold-rolled silicon steel sheet. We need to test the voltage resistance between turns of the coil after machining. Qualified products will be immersed in paint treatment. Increase the insulation and firmness of our coils. Our motor drums will be according to customer requirements. After the quality inspector check, laser marking is performed. After that, we load the oil sac and press the clamping spring top plate. Our spring roof is also made of 300 for stainless steel. And then we have the pressure coil process. Finally, after our size measurement, qualified motor can be online production. After motor wiring, it is our rotor pressing process. Our rotors are 300 for whole axis. The risk of a broken shaft is avoided. The magnets are made of 40SH aluminum, iron and boron. Temperature resistance up to 150 degrees. Our bearings are made of Japanese NSK brand. Angular contact bearing is adopted at the bottom, so that our motor can withstand greater axial force. Mechanical seal is silicon carbide, graphite impregnated material, to make our motors more airtight. After the installation of the motor, power test will be carried out. Test the voltage resistance, turns, steering, speed and other indicators of our motor. And then there's our air tightness test. A pneumatic motor is used to simulate the depth of the well. Finally, we fuel our motor. Our motor is finished.